देख रहे हैं उत्तर शक्ति न्यूज।
My sons Kevin and Steven. Okay, I am talking about Dollywood movie Aganda. This movie, when I start Agora character till end, I am the action director. The director Boyapati Srinu garu and I'm action hero Balakrishnan sir. Okay, I am talking about this Aganda movie. I did after Agora the intro block fight.
You to come in Hindi film industry, you did a very fantastic before also. Gajni film, if I'm not wrong, you did. So what you want to say regarding that? You did a very given a big blockbuster film. What do you want to say?
Yeah, I did Hindi Gajni American Sir movie. I took IFA award also. Then that movie actors Ajay Devgan sir and Akshay Kumar sir, Tushar Kapoor. That's big movie. But about why I give you this one, no? This movie going to very well here, like Aganda movie. Because of next movie I have to do like different actors. I like Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan sir, Salman Khan sir and Amir Khan sir, Akshay Kumar sir, like that. Okay, Ajay Devgan sir also. Now my sons also help me for this field. It's my idea, I know that's my idea. Then my sons also came to this industry. They will compose this.
In Bollywood, would you like to tell us about yourself?
Yeah, I would really like to debut and work in Bollywood films because, to be honest, I know my talent. And since I'm only 21 years old and since I've composed really good action sequence in this, I know that me and my brother, we will be the next big thing in Indian industry and in Bollywood for sure. I would see this interview in another 5 years and I will be proud and confident of myself of what I'm saying today.
How was the experience? You have
This experience in this film.
Yes.
Yeah, in this film, it was a lot of hard work. I really loved working with the Boyapati Srinu garu, the producer, the director Boyapati Srinu garu, and the hero sir Balakrishna sir. He was very powerful, like as you can see, the power emitted in this film is like equivalent to a superhero. That's how powerful we have choreographed and shot this action sequences. And it will be and it is pleasing for the Bollywood audience also because we have been getting so many calls about the epic climax sequences.
So, would you like to share something about yourself and how you associate with this film?
Hello, my name is Steven. I worked as a fight coordinator in this film. First of all, I would like to thank the director for giving us this opportunity, Boyapati sir, and Balakrishna sir for letting us give all our ideas to him for him to act. And about this movie, what I want to say is we worked more than 80 days in this movie. So every single day was hard work, and I have friends back in Chennai, my friends who are from North, and they really enjoyed this film. So what I wanted to say was this film is hit in all over India and in US. It's a very big hit. So that's why we plan to come here and talk about the film.
So your poster is very catchy poster. It looks like giving a lot of big message, like the chakra, a man is standing behind that chakra. What are you telling about this through this poster?
Yeah, this is climax sequence. The climax sequence, maybe 150 fighters come to attack the hero. Okay, I did so before so many movies. The punch in the hand and like kicks, like small knife, like that. I will change the different way, the climax. This idea goes to only take the chakram, that director idea, Boyapati Srinu. Then after take the chakram, how to hit the henchman. Okay, that's it. I will use the different weapon. Director told the weapon. Then I will not the knife, not the rod. The chakram also one weapon. No? Like that, I will play the chakram. You see the movie is very good action and block this. That's why the poster also I will give this.
Did you face difficulty while shooting this film? What kind of difficulty you have faced? Because it is a very fight sequence film. Would you like to share that?
Yeah, it's difficult because of this the chakram. When I compose, also very difficult because the hero action, our hero Balakrishna sir also, they are holding in one chakram one hand, they hitting so many fighters. No, his right hand also dislocate. After dislocate also, he is continuously work because he is the powerful. He is a superhero, the Balakrishna sir. That's why I will use this weapon, the wheel, chakram like weapon.
South films were loved by Hindi audience always. They watch dub film. Are you going to dub this film in Hindi also and give?
Already, I don't know. They already dubbed. Yes, I don't know, but maybe.
Maybe.
I think.
But are you planning to make for the Hindi audience any new film? You are planning further planning.
No. See, first of all, this action I kept in the mind. The India audience like actions, more action. That's why I composed like this. Because of maybe they release in all over the world, but in Hindi audience also like the action only. A different way I will compose. That's why they will like. Here also big hit, the blockbuster maybe already hit. I don't know.
And how you see this nowadays? We see in a Bahubali, RRR is recently trending in social media. The South film loved by Hindi audience, and they love way they sets. If you see the example, and in South also we have a very good content film, like we have seen the Jai Bhim film, which talk about the genocide police. So what do you want to say? The Mahesh Babu also makes some kind of good film like farmers related issue.
Yeah.
What do you want to say that about that?
Yes, all hero roles is different. Not South. We are Indian. Okay.
But
We are-
South is giving better content compared to the Bollywood.
Maybe that script it will come like that.
Script, yeah.
Tamil no, Tamil audience different, Kerala audience different,
Yes.
Telugu different. Like that, which angle we are, which state we go no, that audience like which one no, we have to compose. But next level we have to see so many foreign masters came to work. You know, we are Indian no, we are working the best,
Yes,
not
yeah.
foreign masters.
Yes.
We are also Indian. We are working the best equal to foreign master. That's why I will compose this movie, the next level, because of with my sons.
So what do you want to say? What is your further planning? As you said, you want to work in a Bollywood.
Yeah.
So what kind of role you are going to play in future? Any romantic lover boy, or what kind of role? Actor, love, romantic.
No,
romance.
there are already so many actors, but they're very less fight masters. So I want to succeed in that. And one of the reasons why I really want to work in Bollywood films is because if you watch in this film, in the climax where all the fighters are twisting in the air while he holds the chakra, so like there was a small argument over there saying that they won't give the camera for that particular shot. So I was just thinking that since Bollywood has a bigger mass audience, anything whatever we ask will be easier to get it for the action, to reach, and even the budget is way more bigger for us to work freely.
What do you want to say? What are your further plan in Bollywood?
How to say, Bollywood is, of course, in India is the biggest market, and like if you can take this movie, you can take like 10 times bigger than this. And what I want to say is, like after Bollywood, it's Hollywood, right? So this is the easy way for me to go there.
So after pandemic, we have seen now theaters are opening. They're doing also good collection. We have seen the Suryavanshi did a very good collection, 200 crore.
Yeah.
And now, what are you expecting from RRR and other film? Will help this kind of boost the Indian film industry. Last
Yeah,
1.5 year, we have seen collapse this industry.
No. Already Rajamouli sir is a very big director. You know the Bahubali very big. Triple R also is going to very big hit, no doubt. Because of the action also there. I saw the song. It's very not the song also. So extraordinary. Ram Charan and Junior NTR sir did dance. The action also trailer. I saw the trailer. It's very good trailer. It will come next level.
Cinema will come back.
Yeah, we are Indian movie equal to Hollywood movie to come.
Sir, Akshay or Ajay Devgan sir, they do so much action, everything. Akshay and Ajay sir. Any planning to work with them and direct them as an action director? What would you like to say some about that?
Yeah, I know that Akshay Kumar sir, maybe 1992. Yeah, he and me worked in Akshay Kumar sir. That time I am the stuntman. Okay, I did so many movies, Jilmo Sittam, like that. Is Dharmendra sir hero and Akshay Kumar also one hero. Till that I know the Akshay Kumar sir. After that, the Akshay Kumar sir, I did the action movie. I told no Insan. Ajay Devgan sir and Akshay Kumar sir and Tushar Kapoor. After that, then Gabbar is back and the action director. Okay, same like that. I want to work with Amir Khan sir. So many I dream. That also done because that Murugadas direction. No, Ghajini. The Ghajini action. Ghajini, I did the action. I take IFA award also in China. That movie. But I want to work in Bollywood movie because of Indian cinema in going to next level equal to Hollywood. No? Our action right also like Hollywood level. I want to show.
Sir, behind the camera, big stars do big action, but what about the behind those like action director, those work so much hard, but they never come in the limelight in media. What do you want to say that regarding that?
Okay, to be honest, we love to be a technician.
Yeah.
Because what we love is when we are sitting in the theatre among the audience and when we hear them whistling for the work which we did, that itself is like a very big award for us. So we are happy with that.
सर इस फिल्म के माध्यम से आप जनता को क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे?
At the end,
Convey the message to the audience.
Convey the message to the audience. Okay, so when we start when we like when I'm going to debut in Bollywood films, we can make sure that we are going to change Indian industry in action forever.
so what is your message to all fans? Same message.
Yes.
And how are you going to train your man?
No. From the beginning, his age maybe 8 years old. No?
5 years.
5 years old.
Okay.
I am going to shoot. He is came to shooting spot. Is playing like that camera side, like fighting the fighter. That time only I will watch my son's Kevin Steven.
When you recognize his talent,
No, talent maybe 9 or 8, 10 years. Daddy, I want to come to shoot. We go to school, no? Little lazy, but shooting, is come fast. Early morning 5 o'clock ready, both. That's why my son's interested in the industry. That's why I will follow, then I will train. Then now it will come my assistants and the choreograph. This movie is Aganda, is very big hit. The Kevin Steven ideas so much.
how was the experience working with your father? How did he shout you on the set when he was?
No, he is the greatest father in the world for us. The main thing is, when I work with him, I don't just learn the craft. I learn the craft with his love also. So the three of us together are very strong and we love each other so much. In the shooting spot, we call him master. When we go to the caravan or we go like on the car towards the hotel, it's dad. When we come to the shooting spot, it's master and outside is dad. So we are very professional.
Okay, sir. Any planning in future you will going to start any school for this action related to train more and more because in villages many people come in Mumbai, they want to become action. Would you like to start any school?
Yeah, for sure we have. For sure we have a lot of plans to start and to develop everyone because everyone needs to grow and everyone needs to develop. Everyone needs to be. India has to grow. That's it.
Sir, you are planning. Any ambition you have in this Bollywood industry? Any ambition, one dream, anything would you like to tell us?
Dream we have. Excuse me. Dream also. My sons want to be the master.